So, I will have to do some very small soldering in the future, so I need some helping hands. But I'm not going to buy them. I will DIY them. So, here we have a piece of wood. That is perfect. Solid core copper wire. So, let's drill a hole. Here's the drill bit. Yeah, drilling the holes has never been easier. Making sure it is the same length, you can now just cut it. Yeah, I folded the edges with the pliers and now we put them in here. And fix them down with a bit of super glue. So, a good amount of each hole. And we're finished. A bit of it here so it doesn't crack further. Nice. The next thing is the only item we have to buy. 2 crocodile clamps, which I will screw on top of here. So, they are finished now. As you can see, it holds a piece of electronic sturdily. And to solder some little details, it is perfect. The solid wooden base keeps it from tipping over. And the best thing is, it was free. Yeah, you can buy something like this now, but then it has to arrive, it has to be not broken, and you have to wait for it. This one? Yeah, this one I have made myself. The only expense was 2 crocodile clamps, which I bought in a 50 pack years ago.